Hi, my name is Jesse Piashik, and I want to share with you a little something I've been building for a while. It's called imdone-cli, and it allows you to work with Jira issues much like you do your coding work in your command line interface and in your IDE. It does this by downloading your issues as markdown files, attachments in a folder called attachments, comments in a file called comments, and allows you to sync back and forth with Jira. So let's get started today by installing imdone-cli, and I'll walk you through the init process and show you what is in the current sprint for this demo project, and then we'll move on in future videos to talk more about how to use the tool. So first I'm going to install it with npm. It's going to bring the latest version. Let's let npm do its magic. Okay, and now that imdone's installed, we'll check the version, see we're up to date, 0.20.0, we're ready to go. So let's run imdone init. This is going to ask you a series of questions with some prompts with some links to help you get information. I have a lot of it copied in my clipboard, so I'm just going to do that. Not npm init, we want to run imdone init. So let's retake that. I'll just clear imdone init. Project name, we'll just use demo. The Jira URL gives you some help there, but we're gonna use what's in the clipboard. The project key, this one is demo, but you probably know what your project key is. It's usually the first part of any issue key. It's a project key dash number. So that's demo. Now we're going to look for my Jira username or email. And I know we have that. There it is. My personal access token, there's a little help there on how to get that, but I'm going to copy mine from my clipboard. Now this is the JQL query that's used to pull issues down, syncing from Jira back to your desktop. And we like to use, my team likes to use open sprints and status in to do or in progress. Sometimes we tack on an or and have certain keys to issues we want to pull forward. So stories that might be epics, or we have a tech debt item that we like to keep some notes in. Since we're in our desktop, we can copy stuff into there pretty quick. So the default is a good place to start, and you can always change it later. So let's go with the default. imdone's initializing. And now it's going to ask for a license. You can get a temporary license, a 2-week trial from imdone.io, and you don't even have to enter a credit card. So let's plug in our license key. All right, here we go. Now we have a folder called backlog. And inside backlog is the current sprint folder. And inside the current sprint folder, you'll see there's one sprint, or there's one story in the sprint, demo 2, implement product rating system. Here's the issue in markdown format. You can see I've completed one of the things already. It's currently in doing. Let's complete another one of the acceptance criteria for the rating system, and we'll push this up. I went a little further than I said I was going to. So I'll just quickly show you a couple things. Comments file, you can add a comment here, replace this, and run push. That'll be a comment. And then you can drag attachments into this folder, and those will become your attachments on your Jira issue. So next time I'll show you a little bit more. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and give me some feedback. You can reach me on imdone.io, or you can reach me at jesse@imdone.io. Thanks a lot. Tune in for more.